Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Euro at the Zondacrypto. As you can see, what I'm using here is a 100 and 200 moving average, the Japanese candlesticks, and let me just add the RSI indicator with the standard settings. So this is our complete setup for the analysis. And what do we see here? The first thing is that we need to set some sort of the line here, which will act as the trend line. So when we, let's say, grab this low, which is just a tad above the swing low, and apply our trend line, we can clearly see that this trend line was respected and then even was violated just recently. So in the point of view, the recent development on the Bitcoin to Euro is bearish, straight on bearish, due to the reason of the breakout below the trend line. Let me just change the color to let's say, okay, orange is fine. Then we are trading below 200 and 100 periods moving average, so we are getting closer on this time frame chart to the another cross, when the 100 periods moving average will cross the 200 period moving average, which will be another bearish indication. All right, we are trading, we are making new lows. So this is the swing high, there is the new low, this is a lower high, this is again lower low, this is again lower high, this is lower low, maybe there will be some kind of a lower high, and then down we go again. The nearest technical support in this situation is located between 22,790 and there's another, let's say, level which was very useful recently, and this level is 23,536. As you can see, we tested it once, tested it second time. For the third time it was slightly violated, but then very briefly the market jumps right back on. Let me just zoom in a little bit here. So we are moving to the newest market data. So we got this big demand zone located between 22,790 23,484, and this demand zone was tested 3 times already. Nevertheless, there is no new local high made after the test of the zone, which means that the outlook remains bearish. The nearest technical resistance, let me put it in red, 26,180 has not been tested, despite the fact that it was violated viciously in one day during this candle, right? The other technical resistance is the local swing high, 25,913. So this is another very interesting zone for the bears. And if we add last thing on our chart, which will be a rectangle, and this rectangle will be all red, so you possibly know why it is all red again. It's most likely because this rectangle is a supply zone located between the moving averages and the upper resistance line. So this is basically, roughly, this is the zone. This is the zone that must be violated in order for the Bitcoin to move higher. For now, there is no indication this zone is under attack. There is no indication is being tested. Only one attempt was made at the end of the August to break above the zone. Nevertheless, the market was pushed down very quickly. So the current situation is rather bearish, and we should expect the market to reverse and move lower. The RSI is located at the level of 49, almost 50. Let's say it is 50 for the sake of the argument. Let me make it black. Let's make this line black. Thank you very much. This is the level of 50. This is the level which is the neutral level that separates the negative sentiment and oversold market conditions from the positive sentiment and overbought market conditions. So as you can see, the market keeps having problem with breaking higher towards the positive territory. So if the bears keep pushing lower, then new laws can be made very, very soon on the Bitcoin to the euro, as the level of the technical support at 23,484 is violated, and then the level of 22,790 is tested next. This is the analysis of the Bitcoin to the euro at Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.